nice.
How's it driving? Is it good?
It's good, to be fair. Seeing the mileage on it, it's not bad.
When did you get that?
Just a few friends getting together and driving their cars on one of the nice sunniest days that we can possibly expect at the start of April. This wasn't meant to be this good, but it's turned out to be absolutely amazing. And that's what it is, getting your cars out, and it doesn't matter whether it's Focus Mark 1s or Mark 6 Fiestas, C-Max owned by Alex. That's just been brought back into the family. It doesn't matter, they are all to be cherished, and that's what it's about. It's always about making sure that you're driving them and enjoying them as much as possible, because they're not a museum exhibit. And I'm really pleased I could actually bring Sir out for a really good shake-up, and they've definitely been given a shake-up in the Lake District area. If anybody knows where we are, Derwent Water, absolutely fantastic. We passed a few places, Buttertubs Pass, absolutely incredible. This is a private thing between friends. It doesn't matter, it's nothing to do with the club, it's just getting out with your mates on a fantastic day, having a drive, chilling, chatting, having some coffee and cakes. That's what it's about. And right next to the biggest lakes in the Lake District, believe it or not, at least on this side anyway. Absolutely amazing. And this is what it's all about. Anything from a diesel to a silver, a Sigma, a Z-Tech, and a few niggles here and there, loss of coolant on one, we'll gloss over that. So yeah, anyway, here's to just a little video blog of a few minutes, nothing much, but a bit of fun really. Get out and enjoy your cars, whatever your car is, whether it's a classic, a modern classic. That's the key message, because one day these won't exist, we won't exist, nothing lasts forever. And if they do last that long, well, eventually they get retired and put in museums, you would hope. But eventually you won't be able to drive them. So for all those who are probably not driving their classic car, their modern classic enough, start changing that, because you'll absolutely love every minute of it. Don't worry about the odd stone chip, it's a vehicle, it's just meant to be used. It's not a static ornament. We always get into that trap. Anyway, take care. Yeah, this is Nick's new car. Hi Nick. This is Nick's new car. He got rid of George and got another one, a pre-facelift. So yeah, but it's a CL. Fantastic. It's all showing its age, just a little bit.
Yeah, just ignore that bit.
You got your money's worth out of that, didn't you, Nick? Yeah.
It would be like that.
That's not obsolete.
That's an upgrade.
It's an upgrade, honestly.